My name is Hans van Baalen. I'm ALDE party president. Dear Alenka, dear President Bratušek, it is a pleasure to address your party's congress. Your party and you yourself have played an important role in Slovenian and European politics. And we applaud the outcome of your position as Prime Minister. We also give a lot of sympathy to Roman Jakic, a long-standing friend and now the treasurer in the ALDE party bureau. For us, it's important that liberals in Slovenia pave the way to a stronger European Union. And I wish you a very good Congress, and I hope to see you either in Vilnius at the ALDE Party Council or in Warsaw, that's later this year in December, for the ALDE Party Congress. Again, let's liberals unite and fight for a better Europe. Thank you very much.